Hello guys, wanna know how to speed up YouTube on Android and fix buffering and lag instantly? Here's an easy way how to do it. So let's get started. So make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, open the settings app, click on it, and here tap on connection and open Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to the network. Also use the speed test app to check your internet speed, and if it's slow, try to switching to another network. And then clear the YouTube cache. Open the settings again and in the search tab, enter apps. Here click on the first thing and here in the list enter YouTube. Click on YouTube. After that, scroll down to the storage section and open it, and tap Clear Cache. And then from here, go back to the main page of the settings, and in the search tab, enter build number. Click on that and tap on this small section 7 times, so your developer mode will turn on, but you will also be asked to enter your PIN code. And when you have turned on developer mode, again in the search tab, enter developer options. Click on that and here scroll down until you see the hardware acceleration. Yeah, so disable this toggle, make sure that it's gray, and let's go to the next steps. And then let's update the YouTube app. So open your Play Store app, click on this icon and go to the search. And in the search, type in YouTube. Click on search and then tap on the app and make sure that you don't have the button of the update. And if you have, click update. And then go back to the settings app and let's clear up memory. So in the search, enter memory, click on the first thing, and here tap clean now. And wait until everything cleans. And then let's check battery saver settings. So scroll down to the battery and device care section, open it. Here tap on the battery, and then disable power saving mode. Make sure that this toggle is gray. And then let's restart the device. So hold the power button and tap power off. Then turn on your device again and wait until it completely turns on. And also just try to lower the video quality. So while watching a video, tap this small gear icon. Here, click on quality, and in the advanced tab, select the lower quality. And also, if you're using a browser, just clear the browser's cache as well. So for example, in the Chrome, open this small 3-dot menu. After that, click on the settings tab, and then tap on privacy and security, open delete browsing data, make sure that these 2 boxes are checked and not any others, and click delete data. So now you know how to speed up your YouTube app. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.